So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito kabola ay pag-uusapan natin kasi may bago po kabola, yes bago na trade rumor kabola, nilabas itong si Snow Padua at yung pag-uusapan natin dito po kabola, and then some happenings kabola stated po by Commissioner Willie Marshall. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po with this one. So si Boatwright, di ba, siya nga po ay pinaplano pong i-naturalize kabola at mukhang malapit na daw po mag-start po yung hearing. Now, it will take time kabola. So mag-start siya ng July, the earliest siguro dyan, siguro mga October. Matatapos din, pwede na po maglaro as naturalized player si Boatwright. Unless may ginawa po siyang kalokohan in the past, etc. against the Philippines. I do not think na madedenay po ito kabola. It's just a matter of time kabola. So Boatwright, sure na yan kabola. He can be our next naturalized player kabola. Now, ito na kayong biggest talking point ngayon, no? Kasi itong si Willie Marshall, inamin niya po sa isang podcast kabola that they are actually tournament with unlimited height po na import kabola. So ito, paulit-ulit na ito in the past few years na sinasabi, kine-claimor po ng fans kabola, diba? So maalala nyo kabola, ang reason nila dati kung bakit daw may height limit, kasi kakawawa daw yung mga Pilipino players kabola. So yun yung main reason. And of course kabola, may logic naman doon, pero overall it doesn't bode well with the current global trend kabola. The current global trend is basically you let the best player that can play in your league play kabola. So with this, sina Dwight Howard kabola and other big and tall imports can now play dito po sa PBA. And in reality, di ba kabola, yes, at first, di ba pwede mong sabihin, madodominate yung mga maliliit natin mga sentro because they will be much bigger player that they need to defend. Pero, they will still improve, di ba? Kasi they will now face talaga unlimited height, dito na mga puro 6'10", ganun po yung mga height o mga size po na makakarap nila. So, may improvement po na mangyayari dito kabola. They need just to be patient yung PBA kabola and let them develop. And isa pa naman, parami naman na po ng parami yung mga giants sa liga. Hindi naman na po ito yung mga panahon na kapag 6'6" kabola, sobrang tangkad na. Ngayon, kabola, tumataas na eh. Halos lahat ng teams ngayon, may minimum dyan, may 6'7" na kabola. Ilan na lang yung teams sa PBA po na walang 6'7", diba? We also even have the biggest player currently dito po naglalaro po dito sa Pilipinas. Nasa MPBL po, wala po sa PBA kabola. So Dwight Howard, yun yung pinaka-inaabangan na. And possible, yan din yung main reason kaya siguro nililift, diba? Kasi gusto ni Dwight maglaro dito, malamang pag-aagawan yan, diba? Dwight Howard na yan eh. So, I think, yan yung isa sa mga nakikita ko na potential na rason kabola, kaya gusto nila itong i-lift kabola. Now, some comments po muna. Dio Melisaga, wala na talagang gustong manood ng PBA kasi alam nila kung sino mag-aarap sa finals. SMB, Niebra, TNT, Meralco, yan naman lagi naghanap. Kaya wala na gusto manood. Actually, sama mo din trade rumor kabola. So, Team Trading Starguard, wala nyo Gio. And of course, simple lang, Gio halalo naman po agad ang papasok po sa isip. Ayan na of course ang pumasok din po ng isip ng mga fans kabola. So, is it time for Magnolia to trade a Gio halalon kabola? Again, I do not think meron pa pong ibang pwedeng consider. Gio, bigay na yan. Starguard, Star, diba? Magnolia Star Hotshots kabola. So, I think bigay na po yan. So now, is it really time for Magnolia to trade Gio? For me kasi, Gio is the best overall player, defense, offense, in the past 2 seasons, kabola, kung talagang i-weigh mo siya. So, if they will trade him now, kabola, malamang they will trade him for something. Now, I think worth it naman siya as long as they trade him for, at the very least, a center. A starting caliber center, kabola, diba? So, kung hindi ganon, starting caliber forward. Kabola. So, basta, it should be starting caliber player, of course. Even a superstar if they can get one. Kabola, worth it ba na i-trade ng Magnolia to si Gio? Comment na po sa baba.